we got this awesome Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro. Now, what you get is two different little canisters here. This one is where you will put your cleaner in, and you just screw that off, and there it is right there, and it will just fit right back in place nicely. And here is your other compartment where you're gonna have all of your dirty water here, which is good too. So it's really easy. You got a nice little hose that helps you clean up, and it sprays water. Just use your cleaning compartment, fill it up with water, add your favorite cleaner to it. And here is my dog Nala. She's a good dog, but dogs sometimes have accidents. So I need to clean my rug here. And as you see, the hose sprays your water cleaner mix in, which is very good here. And it is just very easy to just go ahead and clean up anything, any spots, any accidents in your house there. And here is the dirty water. Overall, I definitely would recommend